Welcome back! Today, we're exploring two exciting upcoming devices that are set to shake up the compact camera world, the GoPro Hero 14 Black and the DJI Pocket 4. Whether you're chasing adrenaline in the great outdoors or capturing cinematic moments on the move, these two devices are bringing serious upgrades that could change how creators film in 2025. GoPro has long been the trusted name for athletes, adventurers, and outdoor content creators. Known for its rugged durability and legendary stabilization, it's a brand that's earned its stripes. But the next-gen Hero 14 Black is expected to raise the bar even higher. According to leaks, this model might debut with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, marking a major leap in image quality. This means better clarity, improved low-light performance, and more dynamic range, making your footage look even more lifelike no matter the environment. On the inside, the Hero 14 Black is rumored to run on GoPro's new GP3 processor, offering major gains in heat management and processing power. That could translate to longer recording sessions at 4000 and even 5.3K resolutions without overheating, ideal for creators who can't afford to miss the action. Alongside that, we could see upgraded batteries or new high-capacity options for extended shooting time in the field. Usability is also getting attention. A possible edge-to-edge touchscreen, more responsive buttons, and an improved interface might make it easier than ever to control your shots, especially in fast-moving environments. On the other side, DJI is preparing its latest innovation, the DJI Pocket 4. This compact camera could be a dream come true for vloggers and mobile filmmakers. One of the standout features might be a 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, giving users greater flexibility for different filming angles and styles. Just like the GoPro, the Pocket 4 is also rumored to include a 1-inch sensor, paired with a fast 20mm f2.0 lens, promising high-quality visuals that rival much bulkier gear. And it's not just about image quality. DJI is reportedly stepping things up with 4000 video at up to 240 frames per second, 10-bit HDR recording, and a much more responsive autofocus system that includes improved eye tracking. The latest version of DJI's Active Eye Track, rumored to be 7.0, is expected to offer even more precise subject tracking, perfect for creators filming on the go, from busy streets to mountain trails. And if you're worried about battery life, good news, the Pocket 4 might feature rapid charging that gets you to full power in about 25 minutes, making it great for creators on tight schedules. So, which camera is right for you? The GoPro Hero 14 Black still leads when it comes to rugged, action-packed filming, ideal for diving, biking, and climbing. Meanwhile, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the best tool for travel vloggers, storytellers, and creators who value cinematic quality in a palm-sized package. Both devices reflect how rapidly mobile content tools are evolving. With big improvements in image processing, smart tracking, stabilization, and usability, 2025 is shaping up to be a landmark year for compact camera tech. Whether you lean toward extreme sports or polished storytelling, these devices offer new ways to capture your world. Thanks for tuning in. If you're excited about the future of video gear and want more insights into upcoming tech, be sure to subscribe and stay connected. There's a lot more innovation ahead, and we'll be here to help you stay one step ahead.